Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to get React navigation up and running on your emulator. So open up Android Studio. And click on Open an Existing Project. Navigate to your desktop, React Navigation, and Android, and click Open. Wait for your project to finish syncing. Okay, once your project has finished syncing, I want you to click on this Android mobile icon in the upper right hand corner. Select with any device that you like. After your emulator has finished loading, navigate to the React Navigation website. Now, as you can see, we already did our linking within our terminal. So this is one more thing that we have to do with Android. Copy this code below. Within Android Studio, open your main activity file. Paste the imports from the React navigation documentation right after Facebook React. Okay, let's go back to React navigation. We're going to copy all this code below as well. Just delete these plus signs. Make sure you save the file. Okay, everything looks good right now. So I'm going to go ahead and press play. Press OK again. Now we should actually get our application up and running on our emulator. Okay, awesome. Everything looks like it's working. I'll catch you guys in the next video.